What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today I need to take out the sunroof part altogether, whatever it's called. The sunroof track. There's a few spots on there, like I showed in the last video, that needs to be fixed. I know I talked about like a lot about a plan B. Plan B was later on to get like a carbon fiber. That was gonna be, I don't know, the thing for this car, was getting a carbon fiber sunroof. But that wasn't supposed to happen until after the car was actually running. So that was gonna be like a thing like after, like bottom of the list. With that being said, with the sunroof being completely rotted out underneath and everything else, we went ahead and just got that. So now we gotta get the track all fixed and then make sure there's no leaks and then put her back in. And then when the sunroof comes in, just pop her back in. To get the sunroof track out, there are a couple of bolts and nuts that you have to get. But as I'm trying to look at the hose for like the drain. It does look like the one is ripped, so I wonder if that might be where it might have been leaking. Little spot there, and I'm pretty sure it goes down in there. So I'm pretty sure that might have been the culprit for the leaking inside the car, but pretend we didn't see that. So there's that one, pretty much all along here. You just gotta make sure, we gotta unplug, turn around here. There's a plug right here that comes undone. There's a few plugs up here, and then the same thing. I'm gonna check out the hose on that side too, just to make sure. But so let's get to it. So it's actually only looking like, which I'm going to try that first before I start taking all of them out, that there's the 2 bolts on the side, 4 bolts in the back, so 2 on this side as well, and then I think this just kind of hangs there. Just got to unplug that, and the same thing with the drains. Can I pull this one off? Oh! Goodness gracious. I really have to. Okay. Wasn't too bad. Okay, so, oh god, this stuff definitely spontaneously combusts. God. Oh. Okay. So, this stays. Alright. This goes. Oh, that's nasty. Oh. Huh. So I wonder what that... This thing has been so annoying, whether it's getting caught in my hair, whacking our heads on it. That makes me happy. Alright, set that back there. Okay, that's not connected. That's not. I'll stick this back up in here. Get that out of the way. Okay. Oh, wow. This one. Ooh. Definitely stuck on there. Huh. Okay. Can I stick my hand in here? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna try with those bolts first and then go from there. Oh crap. Okay, so not only is there drains up in the front 2 corners, I guess I didn't pay too much attention that there's some in the back here. Oh. I don't know. Huh. Well, these ones aren't connected. Kind of like how the other ones are with like the A-pillars. Let's see. Let's grab here. How these ones have like these little hooks right here. How they're like holding on. This one was just sitting in there. So I wonder if it does. Where is it? Oh, I don't even have a light. Ooh. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Huh. That's weird. 100%. If they're supposed to be similar to the front, maybe they're not, which is totally fine, but I guess I would have thought something would have been holding it in there, but that's okay. Almost forgot to unplug this back one. I wonder if I can get it with one hand. Come on. Oh, I did. Okay. So I'll unplug that. And then I'm just gonna have to remember. Okay. This just kind of loops around the back here. All right. So it's looking like these back ones here just have like a little bit of like a knot so you can start the screw or bolt and then just slide it into place. It's kind of like that's what I was looking for. All of those there. There we go. So if anything, it's definitely take that a bit. Makes it easier. After getting this, just doing this first bolt a bit, I could hear, ooh, I don't know if you can even see it, the foam, oh, that's like right directly, oops, right in there. You can hear it like decompressing. So, which thankfully it's not going to be all these bolts. As I'm looking close, oops, Jesus, terrible at this light. The first and second one, hold that bracket on right there. There we go. So that just means it's the same for right here, those mid two. So I'll have to just get this back one and then go from there. This is fine. That's totally fine. It's fine. That's fine. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's not a very pleasant noise. I mean, if anything, it can't technically fall on my head. Oh, the noise that whatever kind of seal it is between here, from it like decompressing, it's not a very pleasant noise. I'm waiting for something just to fall apart, which would be totally fine. So I'm gonna have to look at it better when it comes out, but there seems to be like a washer on the opposite side, and the same on the other as well, but the nut does not come off. It stays connected to the sunroof. Okay, that's fine. Not really for sure how that was gonna go. I'm positive there's better ways of doing that than, but it's fine. It's out. That wasn't bad. It actually looks really good underneath of the sunroof though. Like, car looks brand new. Those were the spots that those nuts were hanging on. I screwed into there, back here, but man, it looks pretty darn good underneath here. Huh. Here's that, like, nut in the washer setup, but it worked. So here's one spot, which this looks more of like kind of like a surface rust issue. The rest of it looks pretty darn clean, besides this one. This is where it's poked all the way through, but I'm also not worried about it because I'm confident we can fix this spot. So this stuff just spontaneously combusts. Huh. So now there's definitely a big hole in the car. I don't know, I kind of like it. So that's it for this video for now. Stay tuned because there's definitely going to be some more updates with the sunroof, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.